everybody. We are headed for a day of waterfalls. We're going to do Skogafoss and Seljafoss, our first two stops, and we'll see what we get from there. Several of the most famous waterfalls are located on the southern coast of Iceland, right along the ring road, which makes for a pretty drive. We were kind of lucky on the weather this day. It was sunny and warm, and the drive went really quickly from our house out to the waterfalls. We are at Skogafoss Waterfall.
Skogafoss Waterfall.
And what we're going to do is we're going to hike up to the top of it first.
Yep, and then we're going to go back, get rain gear, and get to the bottom.
Yeah, so
which is going to be
this
wet.
is what we're up to. We're going to climb all the way up that hill. Think we can do it?
Yeah.
I think so.
Above Skogafoss is a trail that leads you to several smaller waterfalls and rapids. Not for the faint of heart or the faint of heights, but it is some nice, fun exercise. Climb up this mountain.
Not quite as sprightly as Audrey is. Doing alright though.
We're quickly rewarded for the hike with an amazing view looking down on the falls from a outlook, and it's pretty scary.
Yeah, they're kind of loud.
After saying hi to some sheep, we explored the trail behind the falls and quickly explored some of the other lesser falls above it. Beautiful river. On these adventures, I am usually trying to keep up with Audrey. She likes to set a pretty brisk pace. But you know what? The old man keeps up all right with the little one. We hiked quite a way up the trail, but since the steeps got steeper, we decided to start heading back and get our rain gear so we can go play in the Skogafoss waterfalls.
What's the point?
One of the things we're really happy we packed on this trip were really nice raincoats and rain pants, as well as some big sturdy waterproof boots. Because in Iceland, the waterfalls, well, they're interactive.
Oh my goodness! What do you think, Audrey?
It's amazing.
It's amazing. So that was Skogafoss, right back there. We all were dressed in rain gear head to toe, and got a little splashy in the waterfall. It's kind of fun. Perfect day for it. Sunny. It's a little warm. But man, rain gear worked well, and we had a lot of fun.
There's a lot to be said about the southern coast of Iceland, but in the area of these waterfalls, there is a really, really rich plain full of green grasses and meadows and grazing sheep, and of course the ever-present Icelandic horses, not to be called ponies. So we headed from Skógafoss to our next waterfall, Seljafoss, which is actually a set of waterfalls up on a cliffside. We'll be at soon, and we'll explore. Let's go do the other one first. So here's what I was thinking. Okay. Seljafoss sets itself apart by being a waterfall that you can climb behind for that wonderful little epic Instagram moment. At this point, we were pretty surprised by the number of people that came to these waterfalls not properly prepared in footwear or outerwear. Good rain gear makes these waterfalls a joy to splash around in. You actually go out of your way to get, blessed by the rain of the waterfall. As I soon learned standing here, as the wind redirects the waterfall directly onto me for a little bit of a surprise. Experience. To the left side of Seljafoss is a smaller waterfall located in a grotto. To get to it, you do have to ford through a stream. Waterproof boots are highly recommended, but it's well worth it. And inside this magic grotto, you experience another worldly waterfall shortly. The girls and I wait our turn patiently, well, sort of patiently, climb up the rock for the epic, feels like a Patagonia ad view of the waterfall with it behind us. Here we are posing for some pictures for Tanya, and this was one of the most amazing parts of this trip so far. Absolutely, absolutely incredible. What did we just do?
We just went into a cave filled with a waterfall. It was so cool.
It was like the coolest thing ever, huh?
Yeah.
Papa got so wet in there.
Oh yeah, you did.
But that's okay.
Yeah.
Our boots worked really well.
Yeah, I think they're dry and warm.
Our rain gear worked really well.
Yeah.
Highly recommended. Do the extra hike, climb into the grotto waterfall. It was super cool.
It was.
So the moral of the story, in Iceland, waterfalls are an interactive experience. Make sure you bring the waterproof gear you need and you'll have a great time.